2022 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. So I'm gonna give a quick review. Got this in January of 22. It's got about 16,000 miles now. Had it for going on 2 years. So it is a Sahara high altitude. That's the trim. Bought it stock. Talk through some of the upgrades. Starting wheels. Nitto Ridge grapplers, 35 by 12.5. And then these are 18-inch Pro Comp rims. And then suspension wise, I have the Mopar Fox 2-inch suspension lift. That's a factory lift kit that Mopar sells. I also have the Teraflex track bars. So you can see this. It's the track bar, front and rear. And then the Falcon steering stabilizer. You can see you can adjust this for medium, kind of soft, firm ride. So those are the only two additional modifications on top of the Fox suspension lift. Quite a few parts that come with that. Again, the Teraflex front and rear track bars and the Falcon steering stabilizer, the only other two mods. I have this
is the antenna that grabs the electricity from
Dowday Dynamics light bar. So you have this mounted right here.
Dad, can I hold it? No. I want to show the video.
Okay. So right here, here's the charging outlet. So I've been charging this inside my house just on a 120 volt. Charges overnight. I've been getting roughly 22 to 30 miles to the gallon. I'll show a couple of things here. This is nice. Let's see. 16,000 miles. Nice stitched leather. And then this, I have the One Touch Sky Top. So this has been a nice feature. This is nice. So as far as the electric performance, it's been pretty great. Again, 22 to 30 miles in range, really depends on weather. So in the summer, I've been getting better range. When it's a little colder and cooler, slightly less. So the tires pop. Hey, come hold back here, James.
I'm gonna hold it. Let me show them something.
Okay, right after this video, then you get a turn.
Wait, it has to be with the video.
Okay, step up to the sky top.
Dad, it has to be with the video.
And then let's show how these, this has been one of my favorite parts on this, is back windows. Watch how easily these pop out. It's 2 clips. 2 clips, and then both of these back windows come right out. So really cool look. You pop both of these windows out. 2 clicks. There's a storage bag it comes with. It can sit right in the back of the Jeep here. See the sub. And go back in. Just as easily. One click. There you have it. Window out, window in. Okay. That's it, been a good car.
Hey Dad, can I do my video now? Can I do mine now? It has to be within this video.
In this, let me. More thing. Let's close this. So I really have nothing negative to say about this Jeep. Fun car.
Dad.
Rides really smooth. The suspension lift really did not impact the mileage. I only drove the car for maybe 3,000 miles with the stock rims and tires, and then put the lift on shortly after. But as far as the electric range and charge, it's still about the same. Haven't noticed much of a drop in that. There you have it. 2022 Jeep Wrangler high altitude Sahara 4xe.